Epic rap battles of history, even though it's not that epic. I'm U.S. Grant, President number 18. Thanks to the Civil War, I'm mainstream. I'm always busy, so go ahead and daydream. There's no room for you on my team, cause I'm supreme. I fulfill the American dream.
I'm Horace Greeley, and I'd be a better president. You can't make any decisions, you too hesitant. You may have been a great general, but all your mistakes, they equal several. No respect for culture. In politics, you're ill-trained. You thought Venice would be better if it was drained. Through your terms, politics was all corrupt. Don't even think to interrupt.
Now you listen here. I cannot control all the corruption. Don't make this assumption. I have to control the Ku Klux Klan. I'm an honest fighting man, and I do what I can. So bow down and kiss my hand. You can't handle my meat. I'll be known through the ages. You'll be obsolete because you couldn't beat me to the presidency.
I can't handle your meat. Your presidency is still incomplete. Out of the New York Tribune, I'm the editor. Don't mess with me. I'm the deadliest predator. You think you look good in navy blue? Lincoln's biggest mistake was hiring you. Your whole career should be put under judicial review. I want to hear this verse chanted. The US of A took you for granted.